Hey everyone, it's me Paul with United Bumper Repair. Today we have another repair on a Tesla Model Y 3-stage pearl white. And if you want to bring it in closer here, it got bumped down here, and a little dent here. It's very hard to make out. So we're going to do the repair in this area and blend the color out. Clear coat from here, down and around, and blend on this little choke point down here. And this little piece here is replaceable. So the client is going to have this piece ready. I'm going to pop this off and then pop that on, the new one back on, as soon as we're done. So let's see if we can get this knocked out. I estimate maybe 6 hours or so, something like that. Let's get started. As you can see, that piece pops right off. Get the new one on and pop it right back in when we're done with the repair. Okay, got the inner panels taped off. You want to come in real quick here and take a peek. At this edge, I do show it in a lot of videos. I put a folded tape edge here, so you can see this little folded edge here, really close, and it goes all the way down, so it doesn't stick exactly on the edge, but it allows the clear coat to fade around, so it has a nice clean finish when we go to untape it. It makes it a little bit more difficult to detect that it has been painted. Over here too, in this panel, since we're going to be shooting up to here, same thing here. It just kind of peels back a little bit. See there? The clear coat can get in there. I can compound it if I need to afterwards. Okay, in this area we've got a little bit of a dent, but it pushed the metal out. I'm going to tap this back in and then do a little bit of filler in this area. I think we're good. I'll put a nice little skim coat in there, something small, and get that line to be true again. Okay, these are the spray out cards because there's different variances to the same paint code. This is PPSW, so these are all the variances, and this one's a little bit lighter, darker, let's say a little bit yellower, a little bit bluer. So I sprayed these out and got them all mapped out which ones are which. So I'm probably going to go with the top one from my angle here with a little bit lighter pearl, and that's the winner. Okay, this body line here, I'm going to blend the color and the pearl and then the clear coat up to this body line. It's got a really sharp edge on it. And I'll use another fold tape line on there. And then what that's going to do, that's going to save on material cost and time, which makes everyone happy. I like saving people money. And they can use it for savings or to go out and have a good time. All right, let's go ahead and throw the base coat on. I'm doing a repair on a Tesla Model Y. It's a 3-stage pearl white. And I said, let me make a quick video explaining how the repair process works. First, at a body shop. When a car leaves the factory, no one gets factory paint. If you return back to the dealership of where you bought the vehicle, any vehicle, Mercedes, Tesla, it doesn't matter. They're not using Mercedes paint or Tesla paint. They're using a third-party company that matches the paint colors and then sells that recipe and all the paint toners back to the dealerships and body shops. So how the repair process works with me at your home, I go to the paint facilities that sell the paint, top off all of my toners in my mobile unit and have all the tools in there, and I come out to your home and do the repair on site. So this one here, I did the repair. I'm gonna blend the white out and then the pearl and then clear coat everything. And then once I'm done with it, to make sure there's no dirt particles in it, I wet sand it down and buff it up to a mirror-like finish. And most repairs take about 4 to 6 hours to complete at your home. Once the repair is complete, the vehicle is ready to drive. Okay, I got the white on. If you can make it out in the video, it's very bright white here, but a little bit darker over here. But I'm gonna blend this color out and then pearl everything else. But before I do that, I'm gonna tack off any of the white overspray. It just makes for a better blend before I blend that white outward. Okay, so I got the white blended out. Shouldn't be able to detect too much where the white is and where the pearl is, so that means it's a good blend. So I'm still going to tack off again any of that overspray from that white before I apply the pearl. Okay, getting ready to put the pearl on, and I have a little spray out card I did with the base color, and I'm going to be applying the pearl and then shooting this each coat, building the pearl up. Usually I can do it by eye, but just to be safe, I'm going to do it this way. And then I have a little window here that I'll be comparing the color to, knowing exactly, hey, perfect match, and then go ahead and clear coat it. All right, let's go ahead and throw a coat or two of pearl on. Let's take a peek. Yeah, still a little bit too bright on that base coat, so we're gonna apply some more pearl on it and yellow it up a bit. Getting closer, but close but no cigar. We're getting there though. Okay, well, the plastic hit the card. Oh man, but let's look from here up. Looks like we got a really good match there. So, gonna go ahead and throw the clear coat on it. Put the shine on it. Okay, I got the pearl blended out, and I'm gonna tack that off too. Just get all of the overspray from everything off, and then we're gonna clear coat. clear coat's all dry, and do a little bit of wet sanding here just to knock down any type of ripple or little dirt specks or anything. Then we'll buff it up to a shine. Okay, all done. This repair took about 6 hours to complete here at the client's house. Blended the white out, the pearl, and then clear coated from here down. So you can't feel where I stopped the clear coat here or in the door jambs or trunk jam. And blended everything around the clear coat and then smoked in a blend in this area. The vehicle is ready to drive, ready to, if it rains on it. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.